I'm going for a ride. Who's calling me? Oh, Katya's calling. I forgot that I promised to give her a ride today. Hello? No, I'm on my way to your place. I'm bringing you a quadricycle. Okay, bye. Oh man, I screwed up the ride. Since I promised, I have to give it to her. Okay, Katya, wait for the quadricycle. You'll ride today.
I need to figure out why the gasoline is leaking. I have no idea where it's coming from. Oh, I see. It leaks from this tank.
Yes, Katya's fine now. She'll ride the quad all day long. And what should I do? Oh, I've got an idea. I'll ask Sasha for a pit bike.
The spigot's not tight enough. I'm going to go get a pair of pliers and tighten it up.
Oh, Sanic, you got the pit bike out of the garage? Can I ride it?
No, you can't ride it now.
Well, you're always greedy. I'll just take it myself without permission. I'll just get my helmet.
I need a pair of strip pliers. I've seen them somewhere in the garage.
We need to roll it out now without starting it so Sasha doesn't hear.
Oh, here they are. I'll go pull it. I don't get it. Where's the bike? Only one person could have taken the motorcycle. Yes, Arsony, you shouldn't have done that. It should be repaired, not ridden. I said you can't ride it, so you can't. Ha! I wonder how much gas it will last. Well, they'll be dragging it back soon.
I don't understand why it stalled. I'll start it, I just wanted to drift it. Why did it stall again? Oh no. I'll try to start it. I don't get it. Why won't it start? Did I break it? Sasha's gonna kick my ass. Alright, I'll try to do something about it. I'll try to start it a few more times. I'm tired. Well, I guess it's definitely broken. Maybe there's something wrong with the chain. Too bad I don't know anything about these bikes. But Sasha does, and he got his hands dirty. Ah, what to do? I'll have to push it home and somehow explain it all to Sasha. Maybe we're out of gas? No, there's gas in the filter. I borrowed Sasha's bike without his permission. He's going to cuss me out. I'll go push him. Why am I so far from home? It'll probably take me kilometers to push it. Ah! I'm so tired already. Half of the road, and I have no strength, no desire to deal with Sasha. I'm so hot, I'm so sweaty. Well, it's good, at least the house is near. Huh, I rolled. Barely.
Here he comes.
Barely made it. Oh, I'm so tired.
Did you ride or did you ride? I told you. You can't. It was broken.
So I didn't break it? Whew.
Why did you take it without asking? I don't get it. You don't get it. You don't get it. You never let me do anything, even if I asked you 1,000,000 times.
So I don't understand why it's broken? It was going forward, but it wouldn't go backwards for some reason.
He's got a fuel problem, Arseny.
How's the fuel? I checked. Look, there's filters.
There's filters, and above, see, it's all wet, leaking gasoline.
Yes, I can see that.
Look how much gasoline spilled out. See, it's all wet. Ah, since you took it without asking, take it. Now repair it.
Yeah, I'm going to fix it so it won't drive at all.
All right, I'll help you.
Well, have you been on the Alex and Ars channel? Like and subscribe to the Alex and Ars channel. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.
Oh, no.
That's quite a tire you got.
Sanya? Sanya, are you home? Oh, listen, there are mushrooms for sale at the market. Come with me.
No, Dad. Only you like to pick mushrooms, but I can't. I can't see them.
Come on, let's go. Man, I hit some stump. I was really shaking. No, I think it's fine. All right, I'm gonna go check out the mushrooms. This is crazy. It took me an hour. Oh, come on. I've been walking for so long and there are no mushrooms. How much can you walk? I'm gonna go to the quad and go home. I'm going home. I don't get it. The wheel is deflated. That's where I hit it. Oh my god. I'm not gonna make it home. It'll chew up the tire. And the battery's weak, so I better keep it running. There's no way out. We should call Sasha. He stayed home. Sasha, hi.
Yes, Dad.
I need your help. Help me out.
What happened?
I don't know. I hit a tree stump. I got a flat tire.
Okay, I'll think of something. Okay, I'm gonna make this quick. It's a good thing I didn't go with him, or we'd have been stuck together. We need a pump, a pump. Oh, a pump. Got it. But how to attach it? How to attach it? It's a shame that pit bikes don't have a trunk. Oh, I've got it. I'll rope it off with a rope. Whoa! It's holding, that's good, I'll take it out. Whoa! Okay, I'm rolling it out. I gotta get my helmet. Safety first. All right, let's go. Oh, that Dad. So I went to my dad. Where's this way? This way? Or that way? I'll go to the right.
Oh, he's finally coming. I'm sick of waiting. Here, Sonia, here.
Dad, here! Got it. Oh, Dad, I finally found you. Why are you standing still?
It squeaked twice and I didn't want the battery to die, so I started it up. Where's the pump, Sonia?
I'll go look at your tire.
Oh, see what happened.
What a mess! Okay, let's pump. Dad, get the pump. Let's pump it.
All right, what do we do? I've got mosquitoes here to eat me.
Dad, let me help you.
Go to work. All right, let's have a look, all right. Oh, that's good. Oh!
It's so hard to pump. All right, Dad, I'm tightening the threads. You can go.
Oh, that's different, Sonia. All right, I'll make a quick run. You follow me.
I'm behind you.
You're gonna get a flat tire.
I'm turning the pit bike around.
Oh, what mushrooms. It's good that Sonia brought this pump. I'd better go to the market and buy some mushrooms. It's crazy with these trips.
And if you guys liked our video, give us a like and subscribe to the Bros Show channel. Bye, everybody. And by the way, thank you all for watching. Bye. Yes, Arseni, your quadricycle is a bit decrepit. Can you, for example, order a new one for yourself?
Sasha, can you do that? be boring riding alone. I'll go get Sonya. Sasha, what are you doing?
Oh, do you have any corn sticks? Give me some.
Here you go. So what are you doing?
Just getting ready for school.
I was gonna suggest an ATV ride, so are you gonna ride or not?
Well, actually, I'm almost done. We can go for a drive.
Well, let's go.
Arseny, your quadricycle is kind of decrepit. Look, see? All the stickers are already peeled off. And all damaged. And mine? Look, all beautiful, new. You've really killed your quad. Well, let's go.
I didn't kill anything, just the stickers came off. What am I supposed to do that they're like this?
Do what? You can order new ones.
Oh wow, can you do that?
Yeah, you can put whatever you want.
Yeah, where do I make them? How do I order them? I only know where to print them out. I don't know how to make them.
What kind of stickers are we gonna order?
I don't know, maybe with the YouTube logo.
Okay, let's go online and look up the YouTube logo.
Okay, give us the YouTube logo and give us the logo of our channel.
Is that okay?
Yeah, let's go print it out. I even know where.
Let's go, Arseny. Hurry up and type, or they'll close.
Yeah, let's run.
Come on, you go first. Cool stickers we made. Broshaw, motorcycle, Instagram, YouTube, off-roaders, motorcyclist. Basically, all the ones we wanted to print out. Cool. All right, let's go sticker our vehicles.
Let's go. So, Sanyak, do you have to peel off the old stickers first?
Well, of course. We have the first one.
And we'll take off the second one.
And the second one. Now let's degrease it, and then we can glue it on.
Let's do it.
Give it a good scrubbing with a rag.
Let's put a cool sticker on it.
And we'll put a sticker here. Okay, and then we'll put a cool sticker right here.
Here.
Let's do another one. We'll do a couple tank stickers. And the back, of course. Yeah, it's dirty, Arseny. All right, let's get started. Look, I've got my first YouTube sticker. You know where to put it? Let's put it right here.
And then Bro Show, let's go right here.
That's good.
And I'll be Bro Show gluing with a can.
Huh, that's pretty cool. Yeah. Oh, off-road, come on. SUV, come on over here.
Whoa, Sanyak, look, what a cool sticker. I ride where the wolves don't shit.
Yeah, I'll put it on right now. Right here. Right here. Yeah.
Okay, while you're peeling it off, I'm gonna Instagram it.
Okay, alright, go ahead. I got it off too.
Guys, check out the Instagram Bros show.
And subscribe to it and I'll peel off the sticker. Well, that's great.
Yeah, my quad's gonna be different now. It's gonna be cool.
Let's put your name on the side of the tank.
And the channel logo on the other side.
Okay, I got your name on it.
Now the Bros Show channel logo.
Here we go. All done. Let's put YouTube next to the logo.
And with Arsenia's Instagram name, let's go with it.
First, we're gonna put the Instagram name and the Instagram icon. It's done. Your quad is different now. It's fun.
Why don't we put it on the big bike? Come on.
I'm gonna put YouTube on my motorcycle fender. Right here. There you go. Nice.
Sanyok, let's put your name here.
Come on. Look, Ars, I'll put a cool motorcyclist here.
Well, not bad, not bad. That's it, Sanyok. All the stickers are on. Now you see what a cool technique we have.
Yeah, and my bikes are cool now, all stickers.
Wow. Now I have a funny quad. So Sanyok, let's go for a ride.
Let's go. Motorcycle and ATV urgently for sale?
Dad, the ATV's not for sale. What are you doing?
What do we do now? Okay, the lawn is being watered. What should I do? I'm gonna go ride the ATV with the kids. I'm gonna go see where they're standing.
Come on, guys, help me. I'm being strangled. I'm going to die.
I don't get it. Where'd they put the ATV and the motorcycle? They couldn't have put it in the construction site, could they? That's right, they put it here. They had the brains to do it. Oh my God. The motorcycle is even dirtier. All the equipment was driven here. That's okay. I'm gonna go make them an offer. Take a ride. Together. But in order to do that, they're gonna have to wash it. Hey guys, what do you say if we go for a ride? All together, huh?
I'm dead. What, Dad?
What, Dad? Yeah, I don't mind. Yeah, Dad, I don't mind.
What did you want?
You want to ride a motorcycle with us?
This is awesome. It's been a long time.
So what's up? Shall we go?
Well, sure, let's go, but take some rags and buckets. Wash them first.
What, wash them? No, I don't want to do that. Oh, Dad, I just remembered. I've got a lot of homework to do, so I'm going to do it.
Yeah, I see. What about you?
That's right. I have to memorize the verse too. Dad, there's no way. I'll learn it and then I guess I'll go. Well, the truth died down a week later, but whatever. Wash the ATV. It's okay, I'm not washing it.
Yeah, to ride for half an hour, you have to wash the bike for half an hour. I don't want to ride like that. I'd rather play.
All right. I'll wash it myself. With consequences for you. That's okay. I'll get everything set up and cleaned up before I sell it. And I'll advertise it right away. Okay. Try pulling it out yourself. All their equipment. I already got one of them. And I'm struggling, and now they've got to the construction site. They got it figured out. Okay. There's a lawn being watered. What am I supposed to do? It's more important. Oops. Okay. Maybe we should do this first. Sprinkle it on. It'll dry in the sun. Oh man, the construction workers dusted it. How could they get it so dirty? All in some kind of solution. It doesn't even wash off.
What's Dad doing? I'll go look. ATV and motorcycle wash is alright? We'll wash her. And then I'll go and say I'm going for a ride. Let's go for a ride.
Well, little ones, well, look at me. Don't take offense later. Okay, this one's all clean. This one also clean. I'm putting in an ad for sale. All this machinery. Since they don't need it, I don't need it.
Whoa! Hello? I'm not selling anything? What makes you think that? What ad? I didn't advertise anything. Motorcycle and ATV urgently for sale? And Dad's number? Okay, I'll go figure it out. What's the announcement? I don't get it.
What should I do?
Ars, it's happened.
Yes, I did. Dad washed our ATV and motorcycle. What do you say we go for a ride?
For a ride? Dad's ATV and motorcycle advertised for sale.
How? He advertised. Hurry up. Let's go find out. Oh my God, Alex, come on, hurry up.
Hello? Yes, I'm selling. The year is 2019. Yes, and a motorcycle and an ATV. Well, it's practically perfect. Just a little rust in one place, that's all. You can come over today. You can take a look. Are you thinking of picking it up right away? Well, come, of course.
The equipment is not for sale.
Dad, the ATV is not for sale. What are you doing?
No, nothing. So come.
Dad, what are you talking about? Come here, not for sale.
Dad, the bike's not for sale either. No way.
Yeah, Dad, you got us?
What? What are you guys doing here? I washed it. And that's it. I'll sell them now. You don't need this equipment. That's it.
Come on, Dad, don't. What can we do to stop you from selling?
Daddy, I can do anything you want.
Really? Anything I want, right? Oh. You know, it took me 2 hours to wash your bike and ATV, right? Your mom gave me an assignment. 2 porches to clean. Here we go. One of you wash one porch, the other one wash the other. white streaks, and all the dirt off. Then I'll check it out and think about whether or not to sell your equipment. That's it.
Ars, let's go wash up.
You go ahead, I'll go.
All right, I'll get the water. I'll wash it.
That's a heavy bucket. Well, I gotta wash up. I'm gonna shake out the rug first. Now sweep and wash. Man, we gotta hurry up because my dad told the buyers to come over. That's it, I'm done. I'm gonna go call my daddy. I hope he hasn't sold it yet. Dad!
Let's have a look. How you clean? Sasha's porch I already checked. Great. Well, you've got a nice wash too. Sherlock, let's have a look. Look at that. You've been pouring water on it. Did you use the hose?
Yes.
Well, good for you. You got all the stains out.
Didn't you have time to sell?
I wish I had time. Okay, I'll call the buyers and tell them that it's cancelled.
What have others already bought?
Next time, you won't be able to buy it back. It's gonna be in the condition it was in. The appliances. I'll sell the dirty ones. They're coming. They'll take it right away. I'll give them a 20% discount. Understand?
That's it, Dad. I'll wash the equipment every week.